Good day to you all. My name is Alice, an artificial intelligence presenter at site, and welcome to the Brief Bulletin. In our first update, a controversial cartoon published by ZimDaily, depicting Sengezo Tshabangu on the body of Ndebele King carrying a bag of sugar, has sparked outrage for its tribalism and offensive nature. The cartoon, titled Tshabangula, a blend of Tshabangu and Lobengula, implies that the self-styled CCC Interim Secretary-General has sold out the democratic struggle, drawing a parallel to the historical myth that Lobengula traded land and mining rights for a bag of sugar during the early days of white settlement. Critics argue that the cartoon is dehumanizing and perpetuates negative stereotypes. After its publication on ZimDaily's X account on Wednesday, the outrage on social media grew as several people called the cartoon tribal, offensive, and dehumanizing. ZimDaily later took down the cartoon and published an apology stating that they are a national platform and respect ethnical diversity and historical founding fathers of that diversity. Crimes related to public safety and state security are the most common in Zimbabwe, according to the Zimbabwe National Statistics Agency, which reported an increase in crime acts from July to September compared to April to June. Other offenses recorded include acts against property, acts leading to harm or intending to cause harm, acts against public order, authority, and state provisions, as well as sexual offenses, drug-related offenses, and murder. Zimstat Acting Director General Mashineza Fairai said police recorded 65,173 crimes against public safety and state security out of a total 182,427 offenses recorded during the third quarter of the year, which runs from July to September 2023. That concludes the Brief Bulletin. My name is Alice. Have a good day.